This entire animated video is made with AI. Stick around and I'll show you how to create your own without any tech skills.
I just can't believe how unfair life is sometimes. I work hard, but nothing goes my way.
Remember the story of the bamboo and the fern? The fern grew quickly, but the bamboo took years to sprout.
So, what are you saying?
When the bamboo did sprout, it grew strong and tall. Our time will come, Alex. We just need patience.
But it's so hard to wait. I want things to get better now.
I know it's hard, but good things take time. Just like the bamboo, you will grow strong too.
I guess you're right. Maybe it's just not my season yet.
Exactly. Keep going. Your bamboo is just about to sprout.
Thanks, Jamie. I feel better now.
You see, creating videos like these can cost thousands of dollars, require a fancy animation degree, and involve complicated software. What if I told you anyone can create a Pixar-style animated video by simply typing a text? That's right, no fancy animation degree or complicated software needed. With this new AI technology, your words become stunning videos that businesses crave. It's like Mid-Journey, but for videos. This AI lets you create unlimited videos for a low one-time price. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get instant access to Video Express before the deal expires.